Hello everyone. Today we will see how to extend a file system in Redhat Linux. So whenever you receive a ticket or a request to extend the file system, so first you need to check with the requester saying is there any possibility to perform the housekeeping on that particular mount point. If they says there is no possibility to perform the housekeeping since already existing all the data is the using, so in that case they cannot perform the housekeeping, so we can extend the requested size. So first we can check whether we have the feasibility to extend the mount point or not by running vgs. So first check the mount point is belongs to which vg. So here I am extending new fs. So here new fs is part of new vg. We can also check by running lvs command. So new lv is here. So new lv is part of new vg. So now we can extend the. So here we can see new vg has the almost 4 GB free space. So in this case, so as per the request, we can by seeing this vg free space, we can, if you have the sufficient space, we can extend the mount point. If you don't have the sufficient space as per the request, then we can contact vmware team to attach the disk. So or else if you have the access to add the disk from the vcenter, then you can add the disk and then you can extend the disk to the vg and then you can extend the mount point. So in this case I am trying to extend, for example in this case I am trying to extend 1 GB of space to 1 GB space to new fs. So now we will see how we can do. So 1 GB free space, yes, I have the free space. Now I can extend lv extend -capsule. So -capsule is to specify the particular space. So if you mention small s small l, it means to give the entire space, entire disk space to that particular lv. So in this case we are not providing entire space, we are giving particular size. So I am giving plus. So for example, if whenever you are creating a new file system or new lv, you no need to give this plus symbol. So whenever you are adding additional space to the existing mount point or existing lv, then only you need to mention the plus symbol. So this means that this is additionally we are adding the space to existing lv. So here one caps g in the sense zb, and then mention the lv name. You can copy the full path and then you can mention -r. So -r will be it will resize automatically. You no need to run e2fsck here. See, it's automatically resized. So before the new fs size is 1 GB, only 1 GB. Now we can see additional 1 GB is added or not. See, it's added. Now it is 2 GB. I hope you understand the concept, how to extend the file system. Kindly let me know the feedback over the comments. Kindly subscribe. Thank you.